circulatory system is an organ system that transports oxygen, nutrients, and other substances through all the body. The heart, the arteries, the capillaries, and the veins are the main components of this system. The heart has two main functions. One is to push the blood to the lungs, and this is called the pulmonary circulation. And the other one is to push the blood through all the body, and this is called the systemic circulation. The heart has 15 parts, and with this project, the student will be able to identify each part of it and also will understand its function.
Our blood is composed by three main components: red blood cells, white blood cells, and plasma. Red blood cells carry oxygen and some carbon dioxide, occurring in the red marrow of the bones. It has a reddish pigment called hemoglobin that serves to transport molecular oxygen from the lungs to the cells. Its deficit causes a lack of oxygen in the vital organs of the patients. Red blood cells should be given in this case. Then we have white blood cells. They are large, contain nucleus, and defend the body of diseases. And for last, we have plasma. Plasma is a liquid part of the blood, composed mainly of water and proteins. It is involved in many basic metabolic processes for the organisms such as blood clotting, immunity, and transport various substances and medicines.
The goal in this project is to teach the little ones how the circulatory system works inside of our body and what is important to care about it.
The first prototype is a heart representation. In a rectangular piece of wood, a heart will be drawn, so then we can cut it into 9 different pieces. Each piece will represent a different part of the heart, so when finished, you should have a complete heart.
Okay, this is one of our models. In here, we're gonna use the cardboard, the paint, the scissors, and an image of a heart. Because we're gonna do a puzzle of a heart, and then you can make it. First, we're gonna cut a rectangle of a cardboard, and then we're gonna paint them with the color white. And then we're gonna paste the picture of a heart, and then we're gonna make the lines of the puzzle. And with the scissors, finally, we're gonna cut one part by part, and this is our first model.
Prototype number 2 is about a real-size model. To make it creative, we will use 2 chemical substances to create the blood. This body will work to explain how the blood travels throughout all the body and the circulatory system.
This model is a real-size model, and we're gonna use a big cardboard to draw a human body, and then with pH and other substance, we are gonna make a red substance like the blood, and then we're gonna put the heart here, like a model of heart here, and then we're gonna put the plastic tubes connected with the heart, and then we're gonna put the one that represent the blood, and then we're gonna put the blood here so the students can saw where the body flow in all the body.
Hello, my name is Samantha Salinas, and this is my conclusion. Well, first I would like to say that we have had many advances on this project. Firstly, with the choice of which will be our model, and another advance is the programming of everything we are going to do during this project. And as we have had many advances on this project, we also have many adjustments, such as the materials that we will use to create our model. I think that we are doing very well our project, this part of project that we have done, because we have a clear idea of what we are going to do and how we are going to do it.
This model is interesting because it shows the parts of the circulatory system at the parts of the heart and the composition of the blood. And it will help a lot of kids, persons, almost everyone to understand the main part of the body.
My conclusion is that these 2 models help the 9th graders to understand in a funny way how the circulatory system functions. And I think that this is gonna help all these students.
In my conclusion, I hope that this project will help to the ninth grade students to know how the circular system, how it works, and how they.
As we said in this video, we hope that our project will help students to understand easily how the circulatory system works, and also make their job easily when they are studying the science topic about this system.
As my conclusion, I think that even if we had a little trouble in choosing which models will fit the best to our topic, I'm completely aware that we chose the right one. And we may get to have little problems with them, but as a team, I'm sure we will get through them since we all collaborate as one. The projects are easy to do, but yet creative and interactive.